The setup for this lab was very straightforward and mostly required that you understand the connections between your microcontroller and the ST7735 screen. Therefore, this lab was simply meant to get us familiar with the ST7735 monitor. What is being displayed is the provided library. As one can see, it is very much in-depth. To summarize, what is provided in this library are various functions for the screen. These functions enable the screen to output images to the screen by turning pixels on or off and changing the color they illuminate. As well, some of these functions allow for the configuration of the screen. To begin this program, we create a function that calls functions from the library. These inner function calls essentially draw lines on the screen, and position them as such to create a stick figure of a person. In the main file, we begin by initializing the screen. This initialization function called is dependent on the version of the screen obtained. Next, various functions from the library are called to essentially build a background on the screen. We then display a banner of text at the top of the screen for purposes of testing the functionality of other library function calls. Then, in the while loop, we call the function that will create the stick figure on the screen. What follows is a set of variables that are either incremented or decremented. They are then passed through to our function that creates the stick figure. What this is doing is changing on-off position of certain pixels, creating the illusion of movement. The final result is as follows.